Hi, it's Sandra, and today I finally got my, well, not finally, I got my box for the Mani by Me Club, and it's a Saturday, which is kind of fun because I wasn't expecting it till after Memorial Day, so it's kind of a nice surprise to come home to this. Let's go through the box. If you have not seen the box opening by Maniology, you can certainly go on their Facebook page, and I think it's on the Facebook page that I saw it, and see a manicure that they came up with. But today I'm going to show you what the box again, if you've already seen it, and do a manicure that I think would be interesting. So as usual with these Mani by Me boxes, we've got a little summary of, well, this is actually the tutorial on how to do the manicure that they have come up with. And the one they came up with is really interesting. It's really cute. It's kind of the map, and it's got the little ship and everything. So it's really cute. I really like the colors and everything. And on the back it shows you how they did it. And then we've got our card of the summary of what this box is about. So we got those two cards. And then we've got the fun part. What is in the box? So this month I really like the plates. So I'm excited to get started on this and come up with a manicure. I think I already have something in mind. Actually, so unusual for me and what I want to do. So we'll see how it works out. So here we got the sticker. And we got our little stamp book on how to actually stamp. And then we've got our plates and the stamping polish. And they're giving us a cuticle pusher. So this is really pretty. Although, you know, one of the boxes we actually got the glass cuticle pusher. And I really like the glass one. I've been using that like crazy. I don't know if I'll ever go back to the metal one again. So let's look at these colors. I actually am so happy that we got a nice blue, because I have all kinds of blue in my collection of stamping polishes, none of which are a royal blue. So I'm very happy to get that. I was thinking about ordering a royal blue, and voila, there it is. So we have this blue that's called Flotsam, and we have a gold that's called Lost Gold. Now it does look like the gold has some flakes in it, so we'll give this a whirl and see how it looks, but it looks very pretty. And of course, we've got this cuticle pusher. And it's very pretty. Looks like a little mermaid. And very nice for a metal cuticle pusher. Again, I like my glass. So we got that. And then the plates. So we got two plates, and they remind me of the seas and pirates. So let's take a look at those. And I saw a lot of stuff online about certain images of this, and of course I cannot see these online very well. I don't think they put it on there big enough. So let's take off the blue film and see what's on here. Let's look at this one first. So I do like the fact that there are on this plate that there are images that you can stamp, like the whole images for your nails. So I really like this wood grain. I think that's really cool. I like the knots, and just the variety of things that that's a whole stamp that you'd stamp on your nails. This is really cute too, with all the pirate things like a bomb and a hook and all that. And then we've got this rum bottle and just a bunch of different bottles on here. So then we've got the individual pictures, which is cool. We've got a parrot and a little crab here. And then we've got the little map, which I think this is what they used on their mani that they did with the sample, showing you how to do it. I think it's a hermit crab, and this is just a regular crab. And then we've got a couple bottles, and this is a beautiful jellyfish. Love those jellyfish. Looks like an anchor. And then we've got the swords, another bottle, knife, and then a dead or alive. Says on there. So, oh, and yeah, I already went through this. And you know that with maniology, most of the time, I'd say all the time, whenever they have any kind of words on here, it always comes out stamps really good. So if you're used to having maniology as your stamps and you decide to buy from somewhere else, you're going to see quite the adjustment on how you have to stamp. And that's just something you have to learn. I think each company that you buy these plates from, you have to stamp a little bit differently depending on how they're etched. So this is a really cute plate. This is MXM 058. Love it. Think it's cute. So now we've got the other plate, which is MXM 057. And this is chock full of great things too. So we've got a little treasure chest here with all the little monies, and there's some bars of gold. And you've got this little sketch that goes all the way around. That's kind of cool too. I can think multiple things of using that for, not just for underwater scenes. Then you got a couple mermaid tails, and it looks like a shark. And this must be the treasure island. And you got the octopus taking over the ship here. A really cute ship. Although it looks like it probably would be too big for your nail. You'd have to shrink it. And then we've got the skeleton mermaid. And X marks the spot. And this big octopus. I think this is really cool too. He's really cute. You'd want to probably shrink him. Then we've got the seahorses down here and just some sea stuff like clams with the plants and stuff. You got another crab down here and the north, south, east, and west. Another fish. And then here, I think this is really cool. I love this sea monster. I think he's so cool. You could put him over 3 nails and really look cool. You've got some little bony fish here. And it looks like a sun with clouds. And then up here you've got the skull and crossbones. That's really cool too. And some starfish. Looks like the starfish have eyes on them. So really some cool images. I was so excited when I seen it. So I think these are really cool. So after looking at those, let's try and do some stamping on top of the bottles with some of these images and see what stamping polish is like. I think this gold would be just pretty on your nails. I do think that's really a pretty gold. So let's get a stamp. I'll use my tiny one. Got this tiny 2-sided stamper. This is probably like one of my favorite, this little teeny stamper. I don't know why, I just really like it. Oh, and by the way, not going to do my new manicure on my nails because Memorial Day is on Monday and I don't want to have to redo my nails for Monday. So there you go. It's been said, it's out there. So I will be using my fake nail set to do the manicure for this. And then when I do change my nails, I'll be doing them whatever I come up with. Okay, so let's do, first thing I like to do with this is just take some acetone and wipe down the plate so it takes off any of the oils or anything that's on there from them making the plate. Looks like my cotton ball is really dirty. So let's use the other side here. Okay. Well, that's a little better. Smeary though. All right, so let's do an image on the gold. And I'm going to do, first I'm going to get a pad here. I cannot stand this. There, much better. I don't know why my cotton ball made it so smeary. Okay, so let's do, I don't know. You know what? Let's do one of these. After all that, let's do this. Let's do, since this is a full nail, got some full nail prints on here, let's do one of these. I'm going to try that wood one. I think that's really cool. So let's do that. So let's do the gold first. And I need a scraper right here. All right. It's a really heavy gold, and it does have lots of sparkles in it. So it's really pretty. So let's see. And I'm just going to be picking up a little piece of it with this. And it's really hard to see. Very, 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 very hard to see. So let's take this, stamp it on here. See how it comes out. Oop, I waited too long. Did not stamp. And because this has got the metallic in it, the little sparkles, it dries even faster. So let me try and see if I can get this on here really quick. Oh. It's very pretty gold though. Very, very pretty. So let's do this. Let's move a little faster here. Quit blathering. And let's put this on here. Okay. So I got it partially on there. It obviously does not want to stay. But you can see that it's not, it showed up, I think it showed up really well on the black. The white, you can see it a little bit. And if if you kind of twist it around here, you can see it. But it doesn't really show up really bold. Now, it may show up better, obviously, if I had a picture that wasn't so open. But and I do think it would show up on both white and black. I just think it's a very pretty color. Very, very pretty gold. Okay, so that's that. And then let's do something with the blue. Let me get this, because half of the thing stayed on my stamper. So, okay. So let's do, what are we going to do with the blue? Let's do the squid or something. Yeah, let's do the jellyfish. So I'll do the jellyfish with the blue. And this is a cream. It's a very pretty color. And it is like, it's a royal. I would call that a royal. I'm just going to do the top of him here. Very cute jellyfish. Very, 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 very cute. See if we can get a good picture. And then let's stamp him on the top. Of course, I probably waited too long again. Yep, waited too long. Let's try it one more time. I just want to see how this... Okay. So if you can, you should be able to see that. And of course, because it's a dark color, it's not going to show up well on dark colors. And because it's dark, it shows up great on white or a light color. Let me get this focus. So you can see where it's not, just like all the other stamping polishes, you really got to make sure that when you you color coordinate everything that you do. So very pretty. I'm very excited that I got a royal blue and did not have to order one. So when you order from Maniology, please don't forget to use my code, and my code is NS10 if you plan on ordering anything from them. If you're interested in their monthly subscription, not prescription, you need to just go on their website, and the box is $25 and it gets you everything that I just showed you. And if you have too many stamping polishes and you want to avoid the stamping polish, you can certainly order the express kit, and I believe that's $18, whereas the box is $25. And the only thing that's missing from the express kit is the stamping polish. You still get the gift and everything. So there you have it. This is Jun's box, Maniology box, and I think it's wonderful. Love it. And I will be back with a manicure. Okay, so I'm back, and I've done my manicure on these fake nails, and I really think they turned out cute. I love the sea monster. I don't know why. I really love him. He reminds me of like a Loch Ness monster, and I just think he's really cute. So what I did, let's go over each one of these. So I did a nail that has just the ship on it, and I really like this little ship. And I used the blue that was in the box for the bottom, and I used an Essie polish for the top, and it's just a frosted blue, and it's actually called Barbados blue. So here it is with the little ship with the sails. I love that. Then I've got the 3 nails of the sea monster, and here's the head part, and I used the sun that is on the plates, and I actually reverse stamped them with the gold, and I think though that looks awesome with the gold on there. Love the little sea monster. He's really cute. This is the middle of the sea monster, and I used all the same things. Now what I did though was I wanted to put something at the top so that, you know, and I obviously couldn't put mermaid at the top because we're in the ocean here. So I ended up using the little waves that are on underneath everything because they look like seagulls to me. They were shaped like seagulls because I don't freehand anything. So here you go. This is, you know, use your imagination. Here's the middle of the sea monster with some seagulls flying above. And then the last part of the monster is right here, and you can see his little tail off to the side. And I had to put the north, south, east, and west, the compass on there. I thought that was really cute too. The possibilities of these plates are endless. And I also have the mermaid plate that Maniology did, so I can, you know, very much see me using both together, but I wanted to use everything on these 2 plates. So that's the end of the sea monster. So the other image that I thought was really cute, and there is a lot of octopus plates that you can find, and Maniology I think has a couple of them, I'm not sure, but I used the little octopus on this, and I just wanted the side of him, so I stuck him on there, and it's kind of hard to see, but I have little skeleton fish beside him because, you know, he's already eaten those fish. So there you go. There's my 5 nails. I think they're really cute. I think these plates are just incredible. I think they, like I said, I could, just sitting here, I could come up with, you know, like, I don't know how many different sets of nails you could come up with them because there's just so many cute images on there. So I hope you liked my video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, if you buy anything from Maniology, to please use my code. It's NS10. Thanks for watching.